Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So today we go to lesson 2.2 uniformly accelerated motion. Our learning outcome is to apply equation of motion with uniform acceleration. Okay, so here you have the graph of v versus t. We have the trapezium graph. So today we have to create the equation for each of the linear motion equation. Alright. So here we have equation of object. Motion is used to describe the motion of an object traveling with constant acceleration along the straight line. So the equation is combined by the ideas of displacement, velocity and acceleration. So from the graph we have the gradient. The gradient is acceleration because we have v versus t graph. Okay, so then we have a is equal to v minus u over t minus 0. So this is the formula for the gradient. So hence we will get v is equal to u plus at for equation number 1. And then from this graph also you have to find the area. The area is s, displacement. Okay, so we have the trapezium formula of u plus v. Okay, so this is equation number 2. And then by substituting equation number 1 into equation number 2, so then you have s equal to half bracket of u. Okay, this one is v. Alright, so then you will have s equal to ut plus half at squared for equation number 3. So then from equation number 1 we have v minus u is equal to at. From equation number 2 you have v plus u equal to 2s over t. And then you have multiply equation 1 with equation number 2. So then you get the very famous equation which is v squared equal to u squared plus dengan 2as. Where you have to know u is initial, v is final velocity, a is acceleration, s displacement and t is time. Okay, so we go to exercise 3, number 1. So the question is, a car starts from rest. So when start from rest, your u is equal to 0. Okay, accelerate uniformly. Okay, for t 5 seconds over a distance of 100. Okay, so you have to kita senarai kalau apa yang dibagi. U 0 meter per second, s is 100 meters. So question of to find the acceleration. So kita senaraikan formula apa yang dibagi. Kita ada v equal to u plus at, v squared equal to u squared plus 2as, s equal to ut plus dengan half at squared. Okay, so from these three formulas, okay, you can use equation number 3, which is s equal to ut plus half at squared. So s is 100, 0 plus half, a have to know, you want to know a, so your a should be 8 meter per second square. Okay, we go to number 2. A plane is runway takes 16.2 seconds over a distance of 1,200 meters to take off from rest. Alright. So assuming that acceleration is constant during takeoff, calculate the speed on leaving the ground. Okay, speed on leaving the ground. So actually this question you have to answer question B first, because here again you have formula. Okay, this is the formula that you have to know. Alright. Okay, so here we have t is 16.2 seconds, s is 1,002 meters. Okay, so here you have to know acceleration. Okay, kita cari dulu acceleration. Kenapa kita nak cari acceleration? Sebab semua equation, okay, ketiga-tiga equation yang kita ada ni di sini memerlukan kita untuk dapatkan dulu acceleration. Okay, so we find acceleration. S equal to ut plus half at squared. So s is u 0, a 16.2 square. Okay, so your acceleration is 9.14 meter per second square. Okay, so then we go to B lah. Okay, we go to A. Okay, A block. So V equal to U plus dengan AT sebab dia nak cari speed on leaving the ground. So V equal to 0 plus 9.14. T is 16.2. So V equal to 1.814 meter per second. Okay, so seterusnya the driver. Okay, the driver on a pickup truck going 100 km per hour and press brake. Deceleration. Okay, so kat sini nak cari U. 100 km per hour, you have to convert into meter per second. So U is 100 times 10 power of 3 over 60 times 60. So then you got 0.78 meter per second. Okay, so apa lagi dia bagi? Deceleration. So when deceleration, you have to put negative on the front of the magnitude. Travel 20 meters. Okay, so nak cari A. So what is the speed of the truck in kilometer per hour? So apa-apa pun kita jangan buat lagi dalam kilometer per hour. We have to use meter per second as our SI unit. So V squared equal to U squared plus 2AS. So V squared, U is 27.78 square plus 0.520. So you have V 2.62 meter per second, but here you have to convert into kilometer. So V equal to 22.60 times 10 power of negative 3 darab dengan 60 lah. Okay, so you will have 81.43 km per hour. Okay, 2.3 km per hour. Alright, so seterusnya di sini, okay, a speedboat. Okay, a speedboat moving 30 meter per second approaches stationary buoy maker 100 meter ahead. Okay, ini speedboat. Speedboat. Okay, moving 30 meter per second approaches stationary. Okay, ni adalah 100 meters. Ni U equal to 0 meter per second lah at rest. Okay, the pilot shows the boat with constant acceleration. Constant acceleration, negative 3.5 meter per second square, reducing the throttle. How long does it take the boat to reach the buoy? Okay, boat to reach the buoy. Okay, so kat sini kita ada how long. How long is to find the time. Okay, to find the time, so you have, okay, kita ingat formula apa? V equal to U plus AT. Kita ada S equal to UT half AT square, and then we have V squared equal to U squared plus 2AS. Okay, so kita tak boleh guna ni sebab tak ada time. Okay, so kita boleh guna ni. Okay, V equal to U plus AT ataupun S equal to UT plus half AT square. Alright, so kita nak cari to reach the buoy. Okay, so kita dah ada S. So we use S equal to UT plus dengan AT square. Okay, so 100. U is 30T. A negative 35. So T square. Okay, so 100 equal to 30T square. Okay, so ni you tekan calculator Okay, calculator, ambil mod, ambil equation, and then ambil degree. Number 2. Okay, so then you have T1 dengan T2 lah. T1 you ada 12.61 second and T2 4.53 second. So you have to answer which is positive. The both one is positive, so you have to take the smaller one. So T equal to 4.53 second. Okay, so ni, okay, tengok B pula. What is the velocity of the boat when it reaches the buoy? Okay, the velocity of the boat. Okay, this one is A. Nak cari B. Okay, so V equal to U plus dengan AT. V nak carilah U 30 negatif 3.5 T 4.53 second. Okay, from soalan tadi. So you have 14.145 meter per second. Okay, alright. So itu saja. Thank you.